हेलो एंड वेलकम टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मुंबई से मैनचेस्टर। मैं हूं निखिल, ये है सौरभ। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं टैक्टिकल प्रीव्यू फॉर द गेम बिटवीन साउथहैम्पटन एंड मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड। सो लेट्स गेट स्ट्रेट इनटू इट। सो लेट्स क्विकली टेक अ लुक एट द लाइनअप। जैसे आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं, साउथहैम्पटन टिपिकली स्टार्ट विद द 4-4-2 फॉर्मेशन। उनके बैक फाइव में यू सी मैकार्थी, हु हैज बीन अ कांस्टेंट, वेस्टरगार्ड और बेडनरिक pretty much have been playing all the games. Walker Peters as the right back जो टॉटनम से आया है, and Bertrand who has been at Southampton for quite some time. मिडफील्ड में अगर हम देखें तो रोमेयू सीडीएम का रोल करंटली फिल कर रहा है आफ्टर हॉयबर्ग लेफ्ट फॉर स्पर्स। वॉर्ड प्राउस जो उनका इन अ वे आई वुड से इज अ बॉक्स टू बॉक्स सेंट्रल मिडफील्डर। एंड विंग्स पे हम देखेंगे तो इन आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग, स्टुअर्ट आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग, एंड ऑन द लेफ्ट जेनेपो। स्ट्राइकर्स में विथ इंग्स आउट, वॉलकॉट अभी फिलहाल वो गैप फिल कर रहा है एंड ही इज पार्टनरिंग चे एडम्स अप फ्रंट। Now let's take a look at United's lineup. United 4-2-3-1 जो typical formation हम खेल रहे हैं उससे start करेगा. At the back, Lindelof seems available, तो Lindelof will partner Maguire in the centre back role. Right back में Wan Bissaka again seems to have recovered from the injury, so he'll most likely start, is what we feel. And Telles जो uh, start करेगा since Shaw is out for another 5 or 6 weeks. मिडफील्ड में न्यूज है कि पॉगबा और मैकटोमिने दोनों इंजर्ड है एंड दे आर नॉट फुल्ली फिट फॉर दिस गेम, सो वैन डर बीक इज एन ऑटोमेटिक ऑप्शन. फ्रेड विल पार्टनर हिम इन द डिफेंसिव मिडफील्ड रोल एंड अपना स्टार प्लेयर ब्रूनो ऑब्वियसली नंबर 10 रोल में जो प्ले करेगा. लेफ्ट विंग और राइट विंग में रैशफोर्ड एंड ग्रीनवुड दोनों स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड स्ट्राइकर वुड बी मार्शल. I think Cavani played the whole 90 minutes in the last game, so he's most likely to come off the bench in this game. So let's quickly take a look at how should we defend against Southampton. Saurabh?
फर्स्टली वी शुड नो कि साउथहैम्पटन के जो डिफेंडर्स है, मिडफील्डर्स है, वाइड प्लेयर्स है, दे आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद द बॉल एट देयर फीट. सो वो लोग काफी पोजीशन अच्छे से रखते हैं. They are not easily hassled out of position despite of pressing oppositions. So typically उनके center backs play their ball through to their holding midfielders or central midfielders. Um, as soon as the central midfielders get the ball, उनके जो wingers है, they tuck in and try to win the ball or try to go into space so that they can collect the ball. When they do that, their fullbacks overlap. So as you see here on the left hand side, they have already created an overload with their left back charging forward, their left winger coming to collect the ball, and their left striker also available to take the ball off their left winger. So ये जब भी होता है, opposition का right winger gets drawn towards the ball because they have to track back to make up numbers. When the ball is played to the left winger, their strikers make their move between the defenders. So if you see, the left striker has gone between the right back and center back, and the other striker takes up the space between the two center backs. And now this triggers another wave of movement. So so the defensive right backs gets further sucked in to cover the left running forward. The center backs try to follow the strikers and mark their men, and then the defensive midfielders or the holding midfielders also try to cover spaces and try to and get sucked in towards the ball. What this leads to is बहुत एक बड़ा स्पेस रह जाता है ऑन द अदर साइड. सो एक साइड पे जब भी वो लोग पूरा बॉक्स ओवरलोड और एक पिच ओवरलोड करते हैं, द अदर साइड ऑफ द पिच इज लेफ्ट वेकेंट, and that's where they are at the most dangerous. So ये जब ये when they switch the ball from the left hand side to the right hand side, that's where Ward-Prowse, Armstrong, and Kyle Walker-Peters they try to get on the ball and they try to exploit spaces. So ये season के most goals ये position से आए. So इसमें important अपने लिए ये रहेगा कि अपना left winger जो रहेगा, they track back Kyle Walker-Peters और वो right hand side का wing को additional protection देंगे हम लोग. And our attacking midfielder should also try to cover the space and try to cut out that ball that goes over from the left hand side to the right hand side.
So just to summarize, ऑफ द बॉल मूवमेंट के केस में हमारे विंगर्स और अटैकिंग मिडफील्डर्स ने ट्रैक बैक करना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा. एज यू सॉ, जो वो ओपन स्पेस क्रिएट करते हैं ऑन आर लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द डिफेंस, विंगर्स एंड अटैकिंग मिडफील्डर्स विल हैव टू वर्क एक्स्ट्रा हार्ड देयर. द अदर थिंग इज, जो वो स्पेस क्रिएट होता है, देयर इज अ गुड चांस बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हम फार पोस्ट को इग्नोर कर दें. सो वी रियली नीड टू मार्क दैट फार पोस्ट. And as I said, the left-hand side of our defense needs to be monitored well. So there are two ways to break them, right? One way is what you saw in the animation, jahan hamare attacking midfielders or wingers put in those extra yards and stop that crossfield ball and get that make that interception. The other way to actually win the ball back, and this is based on stats, Walcott, Djenepo, Che Adams, or Armstrong, on an average have been dispossessed 3 times in this season. So जब भी उनके पास बॉल जाने वाला है ये हमें पता चले, तो in that case our players need to be well aware and try to pressurize them, because there is a good chance they are going to lose that ball, and as soon as we have that, we trigger that forward pass so that our wingers and strikers can make that run to reach that ball. So let's quickly take a look at how to break against Southampton.
ने पहले देखा कि उनका जो क्रॉस फील्ड बॉल है, दैट कम्स फ्रॉम देयर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इनटू द वाइड स्पेस ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. दैट इज वेयर आर 4 की प्लेयर्स, सो जो अपना डिफेंसिव मिडफील्डर है, लेफ्ट बैक है, लेफ्ट विंगर है, अटैकिंग मिडफील्डर, they need to make sure that they win that ball. So you need to be aware as soon as they start overloading their left hand side, be switched on so that वो cross field pass रहेंगे, तो we should be first to the ball.
Right.
So let's assume that Bruno, who tracks back and wins the ball as an attacking midfielder, and this can be either of those 4 players who can win the ball. But the instant movement that should trigger is our wingers and our fullbacks. They should start bombing forward. So this is almost the instant change of phase where we go from defensive positions into attacking positions as soon as we win possession. And what that should help us is to play those direct passes. As soon as ball अपने पास आता है, try to look for that forward pass. So इसमें क्या होगा कि at the end of the game तुमको दिखेगा कि Bruno का pass percentage will be 67% and he has given the ball away 35% of the times. या ऐसे कुछ आ जाएगा stat. But that we shouldn't be bothered by that as long as he's continuing to look for those forward passes. क्योंकि we just need 1 or 2 decent balls to finish them off.
So just to summarize, we should break forward with pace, and उसके लिए हम अपने strikers, wingers and fullbacks, in this case I think Telles, हमने जो देखा है, he really likes to bombard ahead. उन्होंने अपना time करना पड़ेगा run so that they can reach that ball once that ball is played forward. The other key factor would be break forward in numbers, because Southampton are good at regrouping. As soon as they lose the ball, वो crowd कर देंगे, they will try to pull back and try to get into their own half. So if we have more numbers and if our ball is played accurately, there's a good chance that we'll win it and have a decent opportunity to score. The next thing, as I mentioned, we need to release the ball forward quickly. और इसमें जैसा सौरभ ने बताया, it can be Telles who plays that ball from the deep, it might be Fred or Bruno, whoever that is. We need to release that ball forward quickly. And that will really be a key factor whenever you're under pressure. Like, turn that ball over, push it, play it forward, and make sure your wingers and fullbacks are in place to receive them.
So जैसे आपने देखा, we have invested a lot of time looking at the tactical preview. If you like this content and if you want to see more of this in the upcoming games, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys later.